How to fix Twitter X login error. Oops, something went wrong, try again later problem. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Twitter X login error. So let's get started. First, open your phone settings, scroll down and look for apps or app management. This may vary slightly depending on your phone model. Then tap on manage apps or see all apps. From the list of installed apps, scroll until you find X or Twitter. Once you found it, tap on it to open the app settings. Now look for the storage option and tap it. Here you'll see two options, clear cache and clear data. Start by tapping clear cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing glitches. If the issue still doesn't go away, you can also tap clear data, but keep in mind that this will log you out of your account, so make sure you remember your login details before doing that. If clearing the cache doesn't fix the problem, it might not be on your side. In that case, open the Chrome browser and go to www.downdetector.com. Search for X or Twitter and you'll see if other users are also reporting issues. If there's a spike in reports, that means the servers are likely down and you'll just need to wait for the issue to be resolved on their end. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.